handmade sports car KVS is one of the most unusual examples of Soviet-era automotive creativity. The car was discovered abandoned on a landfill site in St. Petersburg, where it had been left without movement for about 15 years. Despite its neglected state, the vehicle attracted attention due to its unique design, which strongly resembles the cartoon car of Leopold the Cat from a famous Soviet animated series. The KVS was built in 1988 by Vyacheslav Sergeyevich Krylov, whose initials are marked on the rear panel of the body. Krylov designed the car using components from the ZEZ 968M Zaporozhets. The chassis, front and rear suspension, and brakes came from the ZEZ, while the layout remained rear-engined. However, the bodywork and design were completely original. The styling reflected trends of the late 1980s. Flat body panels, a wedge-shaped profile, and headlamps hidden under movable body sections rather than retractable mechanisms. The car also featured a removable glass roof panel, effectively turning it into a targa. Inside, the dashboard carried aircraft-style toggle switches and instruments sourced from Soviet military planes. This suggests Krylov either worked in aviation or was deeply fascinated by it. Initially, the KVS was equipped with a 40-horsepower air-cooled engine from the ZEZ. Later, Krylov upgraded the car with a 1.1-liter four-cylinder engine from a Vyacheslav 2181, rated at 54 horsepower. In pursuit of more power, he experimented with an improvised electric supercharging system by mounting an electric fan before the carburetor to increase air pressure. The exact performance gains remain unknown. After years of abandonment, bloggers who found the car managed to start its engine, but the clutch and gearbox were not operational, making driving impossible. Despite this, the KVS stands as a remarkable piece of Soviet automotive history, an individual's ambitious attempt to create a sports car that combined contemporary styling, aviation influences, and technical experimentation. Plans exist to restore the car and either place it in a museum or sell it, ensuring that this unique vehicle will not be forgotten.